It is never too late to what you might have been. Hello everyone. I got selected in Computacenter India Private Limited with a package of 3.8 LPA. Myself Divyashree M. I have done my graduation in BE Civil Engineering from Bangalore Institute of Technology and my passed out year is 2020. From my brother, I got to know about the Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. I here joined for the 45 days job internship program. The way the Evision planned for the completing the internship in the short time and the giving the subject knowledge from the scratch to hands-on experience and the interview preparation, mock interviews and the continuous guidance for the job assistance, it gives us the more confidence. Not only one, I feel to thank each and every member in the Evision team for their continuous support and the guidance in this journey. So, whoever wants to get a job or to land in this IT industry, I suggest to join the Evision. Thank you.